Number 2, if point Q is translated 4 units to the right and 2 units up, what are the coordinates of Q prime? All right, so since it gives us a graph, we may as well use it. We're going to go 4 units to the right, and then we're going to go 2 units up, and that would be our new point, Q prime. So it looks to me like it would be located at 3, 5. Now keep in mind you could also use your mapping rule. Q was originally located at -1, 3. 4 units to the right means you're going to add 4 to the x value. And 2 units up means you're going to add 2 to the y value. So let's do that over here. Let's add 4 to the x and 2 to the y. And so then Q prime would be located at 3, 5, which is exactly what we found using the graph. So if you're given a graph, you can just count. If you're not given a graph, you can use your mapping rule. Either method works.